look at Ryan Newman's 2012 Haas CNC Chevrolet Impala. Alright guys, we did have a light go out as soon as I finished filming the intro, so the lighting might be a little different in this video, but nonetheless, let's just jump right into this beautiful diecast and take a look at it. So this is Ryan Newman 2012 Haas CNC Chevrolet Impala. I believe I bought this at a, I don't actually exactly remember where I think I might have gotten this at Daytona, actually. I'm not completely sure where I got it. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure where I got this diecast, but, I really love this paint scheme, and it's one of the better paint schemes from, the COT era. I only have a few COTs, and, we can compare it to some of his other 39 cars. I don't have many, but I'll try to show you the ones that I do have. So first up, I have his Quicken Loans car. So I do have that one. I need to take some, like, I don't know, Goo Gone to that. I don't know. It's like, there was a sticker on there because I got this at like a estate sale. And I need to touch up the paint on this thing. Maybe I'll do that when I'm done filming. Yeah, this paint needs to be touched up. And then this one looks like something got pushed into the top there. You could see like something got pushed in there. I don't know. I might be able to take the car apart and bring that back up. But it's not that big of a deal to me. I do need to touch up the paint on this car as well. But these are the only two Ryan Newman, these are the only three Ryan Newman cars that I have from that COT era. Because that was a relatively short era compared to the rest of the generations we've had. So, yeah. But the Haas paint scheme is definitely my favorite paint scheme that he ran during his time at Haas. So let's take a look at the front of the car here. On the front, you can see it says Chevrolet Impala. We got Haas there right on the hood. 39 on the right headlight. Then right there you got Moog, Mail, Comp, Edelbrock, Sunoco, and you got Sprint Cup, Holly FX, Bubble One, Lincoln Welders USG, Direct TV, 3M, Jegs, and Auto something. Looks like it's Auto Meter. And then right here you have the beautiful 39 font. Then you got Haas, U.S. Army, and then those four logos there are just, I can't even really read them. I don't know. Then HaasCNC.com, America's Machine Tool. I'll touch up the paint there with my, silver marker. Right here on the back, you got Aspen Dental, Mobile One, Wix Air Filters, and Mac Tools. You got the U.S. Army right there. Ryan Newman nameplate above the driver's side window and above the passenger side window. Bass Pro Shops looks like it's going to be, but that's the only one that I can really make out. And that looks like Oreo. I can't make out the rest. You got like this like neon orange kind of pattern on it. We don't really see that kind of neon paint used on diecast nowadays. It's actually quite sad because that kind of paint is probably some of my favorite paint to find on a diecast because it just looks so good. It's really reflective, and I'm looking for like a black light because I believe I have one, and I know that this car definitely shines under a black light. I don't have a black light near me anymore, it doesn't seem. Maybe just a normal light will do it, because I know a normal light can do it. Yeah. You can't really see it on camera, but in real life, it's like really... It was really glowing, probably because my window's open and there's light going through it, but this diecast really does shine under a black light. I promise you. Actually, I just found a black light. Let me turn off all the lights here. Yeah, you can see it really. Let me turn off the last light and I'll be right back. Got the black light right here. Now, if we shine it on the car, you can see it glows. Looks pretty cool. You can see like the day glow. It really, okay, let me focus this camera. Okay, yeah. Now the camera's in focus, you can see the day glow orange. It just glows so much. Kind of reminds me of like Jeff Gordon car. This one really is one of the better ones to do it on, because you see the green and the yellow glow too. I'm gonna shine it from like, yeah, that's really cool. If we put them like next to each other, I don't know, it just makes the paint look so much cooler. For whatever reason, accidentally took the wrong car out there. But yeah, so if you have a black light, I would suggest you go around and test it out on some of your diecasts, specifically the Bass Pro Shops or DuPont ones, or even Exalta ones, because those ones do it really, really well. And the GoDaddy ones are another good one to try it on. But, yeah. So let me turn our light back on here. So yeah, this is a beautiful diecast, and I suggest that you pick this up if you ever see it for sale. It's definitely one you're going to want to have in your collection. One of the best diecast. I definitely love the Haas diecast. I believe the silver ones are some of my more favorite ones. I mean, you gotta love the red ones, but like, especially the newer Cole Custer ones look really cool too. This one reminds me of the newer Cole Custer ones. Cole Custer ones doesn't really glow. He doesn't have day glow. He has more red. I wish they'd bring back the day glow on these Haas cars, because that would definitely be a good sight to see, because I don't know, the day glow decals on these cars just look so much cooler than the red, in my opinion. The red's just kind of dull, and this is like, I don't know, it's just kind of out there, and I don't know, I think it's really cool that it like shines under it. I don't know what kind of special decal or paint they use to make that happen, but they definitely use something, because it's different than the rest of the decals they use. Alright, let's focus in here. So yeah, I just wanted to do a short review for you guys today, because I felt bad for not uploading for so long. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Also, make sure to check out ZNCreviews.com, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.